Good morning students. In today's video we will start our next topic that is GST return. इस वीडियो में हम रिटर्न का मीनिंग देखेंगे, डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ रिटर्न देखेंगे. सो टू बिगिन विद फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल द मीनिंग ऑफ रिटर्न. जैसा कि आप लोगों ने इनकम टैक्स में भी पढ़ा हुआ है, रिटर्न्स मीन्स अ स्टेटमेंट ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन और फैक्ट्स furnished by the taxpayer to the tax administrator at regular intervals. Return provides a framework for working out the tax that becomes payable in the prescribed period, applying the legal principle to the transactions laid down under the tax law during the period. So basically, it shows that the tax to be paid by the taxpayer during a particular duration according to the principles and law. Next, we are looking at different types of return to be filed under GST. As is visible on your screen, different types of returns are there like GSTR 1, 2 and so on till 11. The classification has been given like GSTR 1 is to be filed for the outward supplies made by the taxpayer other than the compounding taxpayer and input service distributor. Due date for this is 10th of the next month. GSTR 2 is to be filed for inward supplies received by a taxpayer other than a compounding taxpayer and input service distributor. Due date is 15th of the next month. GSTR 3 is to be filed as a monthly return other than compounding taxpayer and IST. Due date is 20th of the next month. These 1, 2, 3 GSTR is to be filed by all regular taxpayers and casual non-resident taxpayers. GSTR 4 is the quarterly return for compounding taxpayer to be filed. Date is given and is to be given by the compounding taxpayers. GSTR 5 is the periodic return by non-resident foreign taxpayers to be filed within 7 days from last day of registration. Next, GSTR 6 is the return for ISD, that is input service distributor, to be filed till 13th of the next month. GSTR 7 is the return for tax deducted at source, जिसे हम subsequent videos में detail में पढ़ेंगे. Due date is 10th of next month and to be filed by a person deducting GST at source. GSTR 8 is return for tax collected at source to be filed 10th of next month and to be filed by e-commerce service operator. GSTR 9 is the annual return to be filed on 31st December of next financial year and filed by all regular taxpayers. GSTR 10 is the final return which is to be filed within 3 months and dealers whose license has been cancelled or surrendered need to file this return. GSTR 11 is the return for government bodies and UN to be filed by 28th of succeeding month and to be furnished by a person having UIN. So these are different types of returns under GST and may be further summarized as monthly returns, quarterly returns, annual return or unscheduled. As is visible on your screen, under the monthly returns, we include these various returns which we discussed in our previous slide. क्वार्टरली रिटर्न्स में GSTR 4 आता है जो कि कंपाउंडिंग टैक्स पेयर्स के लिए है. एनुअल में GSTR 9, 9A एंड 9B आता है जो कि एनुअल GST रिटर्न फॉर कंपाउंडिंग टैक्स पेयर्स एंड रिकन्सिलिएशन स्टेटमेंट को शो करता है. एक लास्ट कैटेगरी है हमारे पास अनशेड्यूल्ड की जिसमें हम GSTR 10 को इंक्लूड करते हैं विच इज़ फॉर द फाइनल रिटर्न आफ्टर कैंसिलेशन विद इन 3 months ऑफ कैंसिलेशन. Next, we are looking at the staggered filing. Because of the problems involved in the filing of return, government has allowed for staggered filing of the return. Certain options are given as is visible on your screen. All states में option available है for the turnover above rupees 5 crore and above for the previous financial year. Date is 20th of the next month without late fees. However, in certain states, as you can see on your screen, where the turnover is below rupees 5 crore for the previous financial year, the date is 22nd of the next month without late fees. And for these states where the turnover is below rupees 5 crore for the previous financial year, then 24th of the next month without late fees. So this is the staggered filing of return. Next, we have certain types of return which are specifically mentioned under the GST. These are the first return, final return, or notice to return defaulters. First return is covered under section 40, final return under section 45, and notice to return defaulters under section 46. First, we are taking the case of first return. This is filed by the registered person who has made outward supplies, and it is required for the period between the date on which he became liable to registration till date on which registration is granted. Then shall declare same in first return furnished by him under grant of registration is covered under section 40. Next is final return covered under section 45. Is filed by registered person who is required to furnish return under section 39 subsection 1 and whose registration has been cancelled. Shall furnish a final return within 3 months of date of cancellation or date of order of cancellation, whichever is later. Next, we have notice to return defaulters under section 46. If a registered person fails to furnish a return under section 39 or section 44 or section 45, a notice shall be issued required him to furnish such return within 15 days. So this is covered under section 46. So these are different types of return under GST. Thank you.